Module 6, Lesson 2, Draft a Social Post. From the social page, click Compose Post. The composer is deliberately simple. Pick the account, write the body, decide when it goes out. The interesting parts are what it does for you along the way. First, pick the connected account. The channel sets the rules. Each platform has its own character budget, and the composer enforces the right one for the account you picked. Write past the limit, and the composer tells you before you save, not after the platform rejects it. The counter keeps you honest as you type. Write like a person, not a press release. For LinkedIn, the first 2 lines decide whether anyone clicks See More. Lead with the point. 1 idea per post. A question at the end earns comments, and comments earn reach. You can write it yourself, or you can start from an AI draft, which is the next scene. Simple Marketing's AI can draft the body from your campaign content or a short brief. When a draft arrives in the composer, it carries a provenance banner. This body was AI drafted with the reasoning attached. The rule is the same one you learned in Module 3. AI proposes, you decide. Read it, edit it into your voice, and the provenance trail records that a human reviewed it before anything went public. Nothing AI drafted publishes without you. Save the post as a draft. It lands in the posts list with its status, and it's not going anywhere until you schedule or publish it. Drafting and publishing being separate steps is deliberate. It gives a second pair of eyes a natural place to review before anything ships under the company name. That's composing. Next lesson finishes the module, scheduling the post, publishing it, and reading the engagement numbers that flow back. See you there.